The truth is that you need to be adding tricks to your videos, especially if you are a beginner. You need to be adding tricks, all those visual effects that can make you go viral. You need to add them to your videos. So come closer, let me show you how you can do this. This is a very simple effect, very simple. Don't mind the way you are looking at it. So first of all, you have to spray your clothes on the floor. Then you lay on the floor, on top of the clothes, you just lay on it. You can do something maybe like cry, whatever you need to do. So if you want to show your hands, you can put your hands up like I did mine. But if you don't want to show your hands, if you want only your head to show, you can put your hands down, okay? But me, I want to show my head and my hands, okay? So this is how you record this one. You can do anything you want to do just for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Then after that, you mark the place where your hands stopped. You can see how I did mine. I intentionally did this, okay, so that it won't give me any issues when I want to edit. Then you come to the other side, adjust that place. You see the place that you marked, you don't have to pass there. Don't cross there if you want your second self. So for better results, you can just use the same clothes. The issue that I had here is that I used a different clothes on the floor, but normally I'm supposed to use the same clothes that I'm wearing. I'm supposed to use it on the floor too, all right? So you can choose to use the same clothes or different clothes. You will still get the same result. So when you are done on the other side, you then save your video and head over to CapCut for the tutorial. So what you do is when you open your CapCut, you click on new project, then import the video. You look for the video and import it. The video that you just recorded, you import it into your CapCut. So this is my video. I have imported the video into my CapCut, and then make sure you first record an empty space. Before, you can see the empty space there. You first record an empty space before walking into the camera, okay? Then remember to mute the original audio. Remember to mute the original audio of the video that you recorded. All right? Then, so this is what we have here. So now what you do is that you're going to locate the empty space, the one that you recorded before walking into the camera. Click on it and then look for freeze. Look for freeze. Let's look for freeze. This is freeze. You click on freeze so that you freeze that empty space, okay? So this is freeze. Then the place that you walked into the camera is not necessary, so you are going to delete it. So I'm going to locate where I want my video to start from, my main video, not the one that I freezed. And then click on split. Delete the place I walked into the camera. Then the place that I folded the wrapper by giving it mark is not necessary, so I'm going to locate it. And then also locate the place that I walked in on the other side, because I want a second self of me. I want my second self. What am I even saying? I want my second self. So I'm going to locate the place I walked in. Also click on split and delete it. So this is what we have. We have the empty background that is already freezed. We have the one that I'm lying on the floor. And then we have the one that I'm sitting on the other side. That one that I'm sitting on the other side is optional. Alright. So you click on freeze, on the freeze empty background, then look for overlay. This is overlay. You overlay it, overlay the freeze background, then drag it to the seconds that you want your video to be, maybe like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or any seconds. Then you look for mask. Okay, this is mask. You click on rectangle. This is rectangle. You click on it, then you use the rectangle to cover yourself. So like I said before, I want my own to start from my chest up. So if you want only your head, when recording the video, you put your hands down, okay, so that when you use this rectangle, only your head will come out. All right, so this is it. You just cover it. Make sure that the rectangle covers from your chest down to all other parts of your body, the wrapper, the clothes, and everything. Make sure that the rectangle covers it, okay? So you still click on that rectangle, go to feather. You can take your feather to between 10 to 20. So let's check. This is 17. Let's check 20. Let's see how it will be. Let me see. This 20 is too transparent. It's too obvious. So let's change it to 15 or 10. Let's see. Let's see 9 or 10. Okay, let's see 10. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. All right, so make sure you adjust the feather just a little. You can just drag it to 10 or 5, anyone that you want. And then for your second self, which is optional, you can put somebody else there, or you can still film yourself just like I did mine, and it is perfectly optional. Okay, so you click on the second self, on your second self, look for overlay it, then make it your layer third layer. All right, then you click on it, still look for mask. This is mask. Then this time around, you're going to choose horizontal. All right, then you drag it to the other side. You drag it with both fingers, with your two fingers, to the other side. Then you still click on the horizontal. Make sure that you adjust the feather just a little. Okay, I'm taking it to 10. Okay, so this, you check it, you click on it, you can see that it's perfect. This is very perfect. Okay, let's play the video and see. So here, the second self is short. You can choose to take it to 15 seconds, to 20 seconds, or any seconds that you want. Maybe 10 seconds can even be okay. All right. You know that YouTube and Facebook and TikTok, they pick short videos. So you can try and make your own short, just like 10 to 15 seconds. That's very perfect. So I'm making my own 14 seconds. So the other ones, I just have to click on split and delete, and that's all you have to do. This is very simple as ABC. So let's play the video and see the final result. So this is the final result, guys. Once you are done, you click on export and save your video, and that's all.